Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a what's in my bag travel edition with my St. Laurent Rive Gauche Tote. So I have set this up for to be my personal item on my upcoming trip to residency to Portland. If y'all are new to my channel or just haven't seen the videos, in my last residency I actually purchased this bag and I absolutely love it. I used it on my way home. It's the perfect size if you fly Southwest. It fits perfectly underneath and it fits so much stuff. So I wanted to use it again for travel. I did want to make it a little bit more convenient. So, and to kick things off, let me show y'all what I did. And I should have probably done this a different way. But I have a Samorga organizer in here, and follow me on TikTok. I shared what I did, but I have a strap. This is actually the strap to my laptop case that I can just change. But I cut holes in my Samorga organizer, and I'll give you an up close look more towards the end once everything's out. But that way I can put this on a strap because it does get really heavy, especially when you have a lot of stuff in here. When you just have it, like when you carry it on your shoulder or on your, or not, I'm sorry, not on your shoulder, on your arm. And then I have a pretty like larger arm, so it's kind of irritating and annoying to carry this bag on my shoulder. So the strap I thought would also be a lot easier to maneuver and use with. So I added the strap and really excited to try that out. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in. So if you fly Southwest and you get a free personal item that goes underneath your the seat in front of you. Again, this is the perfect fit. So I have this, and then I also always only bring a carry-on, and so you're allowed 2 items. Anything more than that you have to consolidate. But the airline, or not the airline, the airports don't really care. So when we're not in the plane, I'm probably just gonna have my white bag out and just using that as my purse. And then I can just easily put it on top whenever we're in flight. It won't make a difference. So that's why this is up top. It has my wallet in here, and right now I think that's the only thing it has in here because I just now like organized everything. So right now it just has my card holder in here with my IDs, but I'll put some essentials in here closer to when we leave. So that is up top, and that's how I plan on carrying it when we're on the plane. And then I just have a few things in here, so I try to put as much as possible in my carry-on so that way it's less to carry. I really just need things that are easily accessible, and so with that I have my little messenger bag here from Bays. That is my laptop case and holder, and it also holds my iPad. So let's move this out of the way temporarily, and here is my messenger bag. So I do plan on using this at school. I don't plan on bringing my tote with. We'll see how the day looks, but I'm just bringing this. And so I have my 16-inch MacBook Pro in here. This is where all the chargers are. I have my mouse, Apple Pencil. I need to add my laptop charger in here. And then we also have my iPad just in this back slit. And the best part is if I just wanted to travel with this and use this as my personal item, this back pocket is actually a trolley pass-through, so that you could actually use this as your personal item. But I like to bring extra stuff, so I'm not using that option, but I do like that it's an option. But yeah, it just has, again, these straps that are on my bag. I'm just going to transfer this over once we get to the hotel onto here so I can carry it for school. But that is my laptop and first item in the bag. And then it's instantly a lot lighter. I am bringing my Louis Vuitton GM agenda on the trip just because I now have a full school section in here with all of my plans, when I've studied, deadlines. I put in a so sorry guys, it's blurry. I have a lot of planner flips and videos on this if y'all want to see an up close look, but I also have my notes for residency and then notes on all of the readings that we had to do prior to residency in here. So I have all of that, and so bringing my agenda And then we have a few other items. So I have my Gucci Ovidia pouch, and so this can easily be converted into a bag, which I've been using this as a bag because I love the size. I still have the chains on, but I just take the chain somewhat off whenever I do use it as a bag. But in here is where I'm keeping all of my tech stuff, so for the hotel. So I'm probably going to keep my PM agenda in here as well. That's downstairs. I need to add in here. I have my phone charger. I'm going to put probably all my pens and like miscellaneous accessories in here. Let's actually do that now so I don't forget. But white out all of the like accessories and supplies that I will need for the trip. And then again, I can use this as a bag if I need it. So I have that. I'll probably also put some like planner stickers in here just in case I want to plan. But we have that. And then inside the pockets, I have my wallet so I can easily grab it. I haven't decided if I'm just taking my card holder or if I'm taking my card holder and my wallet. So for now we just have that in there. And then I have my sunglasses so that they're easily accessible. And then that is everything inside of the tote. And then to show y'all what I did with the organizer to add a little strap. So I took the part that's like very thick, so it's like double lines. I don't know if y'all can see that, and like the very thick part, and just cut a hole on both sides. And then recently I was using the Erin Condren like tote bag straps for this, and then because I just want to consolidate as much as possible since it's for a trip, I'm gonna use the one for the messenger bag since I won't need two straps with me. So just temporarily use it for this, and then I can easily like take it off when I need to move it over to the messenger bag. But yeah, this is really going to I think help at the airport because this bag is very heavy with everything that I keep inside of it, and this really helps with support. I really liked using my Baze bag when I traveled, and it was really helpful that it had that strap just because it's more comfortable on my shoulder. So yeah, other than that, that is everything inside of my bag for this trip, and that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.